Welcome to the Pass It On CPD Google Plus community. If you can see what I can see in front of me, and you can see all the posts that have been shared by members of the Pass It On team and other staff, then you are already a member of this community. If you can't, then what you should be able to see is a red join button over on the right hand side at the top somewhere. What I'd like you to do is click on that, and what it will do is send a notification to one of the team who will accept your application to be part of the community straight away. Once you're part of the community, it's fairly straightforward to post, and I'm just going to show you very quickly how that can be done. So in this box at the top, you'll see share what's new. Just click into that box, you would type your message, and if you'd just like to leave an idea or a question for colleagues, then just click on the green share button straight away. What you can also do is add photos, so you might like to link to a photo of a classroom display, a resource, your students conducting something, or perhaps you conducting something with colleagues, and so you can add in a photo quite easily. You can also add in a link to an external or internal web page, just to kind of connect staff to something that you're questioning or sharing, and you can also link to a video if you wish. The fourth thing that you can add on here is an event, and so it might be something that you'd maybe like to invite other staff to, and this would be a good place to share it. Okay, so once you've written your message and added anything that you want to, you can see this button 2. If you click on there, you'll get a drop-down menu of all our different categories. If you're totally unsure about which category it should belong in, just go for discussion, that would be fine. The reason categories are useful I'll show you in a minute, but you can search by the different categories so that you can navigate all the information that will be on this community a little bit easier. Okay, so once you're ready, you would just click on share, and that would share it on the community straight away. I'm just going to click cancel. Okay, one other thing that you can do is interact with other people's posts. So if you like someone else's post, very similar to Facebook, instead of like on Google+, it is +1. So that can just be a way of you kind of saying thank you for somebody sharing a resource. Something else you can do is add a comment, so perhaps you've got a question or just something that you'd like to say to somebody who's shared a resource. So if you click on add a comment, you can type in there, and once you're done, just click on the green post comment button, and that will appear for somebody else to see. Okay, when you log into Google+, if you've had anybody reply to you or +1 anything, or anybody has shared anything on the community, you'll have some notifications up here. I've actually caught up with all my notifications, but what you'll have is that you'll see some notifications on here of new updates. Okay, when you're logged into Google+ in future and you need to navigate to the community, when you first log into Google+, you'll be presented with the home page. Where you can go from there is hover over the home badge on the left hand side. It will bring up a drop down menu. If you then click on communities, I'm a member of a few that I moderate, but also communities I've joined, and Pass It On CPD for you guys should be sat under there, and you can notice it with the Pass It On logo. You click on Pass It On CPD, and it will open up the community for you to post immediately. Okay, happy sharing.